Remove the 2 screws on top of the fuser unit. Remove the upper cover. It has 2 hooks on the side. Remove the 2 springs. Remove the 2 black levers, 1 each side. Remove this metal part. Remove the other metal part. Detach the connector. Remove the cable. Lift up the fuser sleeve assembly. Remove the lower fuser roller. This is the electronic board of the photosensors. The levers of the paper path. These are the bushings of the lower fuser roller. If they are worn out, they could cause problems. Remove the side bushing of the fuser sleeve. Remove the fuser sleeve. This is the heating element. Clean the old grease and add the new grease. It's a special grease for high temperatures. Do no add normal grease. If you don't have it, don't remove the old grease. To remove the heating element, press on the tab of the plastic side part. Remove it. Slide the heating element. Insert the fuser sleeve. Reinsert the black bushing. Install the lower fuser roller. Insert the fuser sleeve group. Install the connector and the cable. Install the 2 metal parts. Insert the tab first. Reinstall the 2 levers. Insert the 2 springs. Reinstall the cover. Insert the 2 screws. The work is done.